So here's the next one of the expansions where we're using a plus bx to the n, where a is not equal to 1. I just want to draw your attention while we're thinking about it to this here, that the modulus of x, the range for which x is valid, the range where the expansion actually works, is mod of x is less than 4 over 9. It's important you think about where that value comes from. Okay, you need to understand how you got there. Now, if you need to come and ask me a question, do so. Let's start now trying to do this expansion. We're asked to expand up to the x cubed term, so the first 4 terms. So we have 4